Okay, we've had the ice storm here since Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and today's Monday, and it's just starting to change from ice to snow. And I want to show you how much we got. If the garage door will open. Oh, yeah, it opened. Okay. So we got about 8 inches here, and that's solid ice. Solid ice. Then we go down here. At the end of the driveway, snowplow's gone by. And that's solid ice. How am I going to get out of here? Yeah, I got a bunch of shoveling to do today. So we've got some trees down. In the back. And Friday there was no snow here, just so you know. I just want to show you this birch tree is bent right over. It's bent right over and it's hanging on top of the plum tree. And the other one up there is also bent right over the cherry tree. So this is what we're waking up to today, Monday. It's supposed to be spring. We're probably going to go right into fall after this. Have fun wherever you are. Bye.